The first tip to gain your confidence is to get a pair of oversized sunglasses. The bigger the better. Now you put it on. Now I want to point out that this video is a realistic guide. I don't want anybody feeling like this is not realistic. This is very realistic. Get a pair of sunglasses and you'll be confident. Thank you guys so much for watching. Very first thing you need to know when you're trying to improve yourself is that it's a mindset thing. You have to adjust your mindset. You need to know that you need to be patient. It's not something that you just get once. A lot of people that you think are confident, it took them time to become that confident. I've always been a very quiet and timid person. There are some things I do nowadays that I would have been too shy to do last year or last 2 years. And I noticed the growth, and that was because I accepted my nature. I knew that, okay, my nature, I'm a very quiet person, and I embraced it. I did not hate myself or dislike myself. I didn't have negative self-talk. Why are you so quiet? Look at people around. Why are you so shy? Look at how confident this person is. Why aren't you as confident as that? No, I never did any of that. I just embraced myself as I was. So just be patient with yourself. It's a journey. And it's the same with any other thing you're doing. Like if you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to gain weight, any other thing you're trying to improve on, it takes time. But you need to enjoy the journey as you go. So the next tip is to stop seeking validation from others. And this is why the number one tip is very important. Once you're comfortable with yourself, you really don't care what other people say or what other people think of you. You are going to do you. Start living your life for yourself. I know you've heard this a number of times, but you need to start living your life for yourself. Wear what you want, wear what you're comfortable with. Stop living your life based on what other people will say. Social media is a very big agent for seeking validation. Because when you post a picture, you're waiting for people to tell you, oh, you look beautiful, oh, you're this or that. And when you don't get that, you start to feel bad. You feel like, oh, that means people don't really like this. You might even delete it because you don't get so much engagement on it. You find yourself comparing yourself to other people like, oh, wow, she's doing this, I'm not doing it. Use your social media wisely. Use your social media in a way that it won't affect your mental health. No bad vibes, you are just protecting your mental health. If there's anyone you're comparing yourself, mute them for a while until you know you're out of that state. This doesn't mean you're not friends with them. It just means that you're taking care of yourself. So next time you're worried about, oh, if I wear this, what will people remember? That people are only thinking about themselves. The next tip is an obvious one. I know you've heard this a lot, but it's very important, and that is being intentional about your outward appearance. Make sure you look good, you look the part, you look good, you smell good. Taking care of your skincare, your outfits, your hair, your nails, your accessories, then makeup. If you are not into makeup, it's not comfortable. Once you take care of your skin and you just do your skincare for the day, you wear very nice clothes, you even feel confident. When you look good, you feel good. Oh, you're back. Next tip is to manually improve your self-confidence by setting tasks and completing them. For example, you decide that, okay, today for 5 minutes I'm going to exercise, or today I'm going to read for 1 hour. When you complete that task, the sense of pride you are going to feel like, oh wow, this was so difficult, I completed it, wow, I'm that girl, anything I put my mind to, I'm going to do it. You just feel really good, you feel happy within yourself, and all those things radiate on the outside. And sometimes it can be something basic like just making sure you lay your bed every day, making sure you exercise every day, making sure you brush every day. Even though I don't know who doesn't brush every day. So the next tip is to infuse habits that will guarantee you being successful in your lifestyle. There are so many successful people and they've mentioned habits that help them to be successful. So why are you not implementing those habits in your life? Check out this video where I share 5 tips that will guarantee you to become successful in your 20s. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you're interested in more self-improvement videos. Now this is my own task for today. Like, I have to film this video, and now that I filmed it, despite the rain, I'm happy. I feel proud of myself, and I'll be confident for the rest of the day.